Yes. Welcome back to our class. Okay. Today, today is your science class. Okay. Okay. So let us start the class. You are ready now for the class? Okay. Very good. Okay. So you know as that we have already started our chapter number 4. We have completed the explanation and we are doing the question answer. Okay. So we will continue from the question answer of the exercise of chapter number 4. In our previous class, we have completed up to question 1 and 2 from section E, short answer question. Okay. And I am requesting everyone, you will switch off your front camera and mute your microphone. Mute your microphone and switch off your front camera. Okay. Okay, now I think you will write your question answer in your science copy. Okay. So let us start. We have done question number 1 and 2 from section E. I am writing here. Section E is your short answer question. Short answer question. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Good morning to every student. Okay. We are doing from page number 27. Okay. So I will start from number 3. See here. You will write down in your science copy. Okay. See here. Tarun and Ajay are playing in a field. Tarun places stones over all the burrows and tunnels in the soil just for fun. Ajay notices it and removes all the stones. Now your question is, question number A. Name any 2 animals that live inside the soil. Okay. Okay, now, so your question is 3A. Name any two animals. Name any 2 animals that live inside the soil. Okay. So everyone must mute your microphone. Okay. Okay. See here, the answer is 2 animals that live inside the soil. 2 animals that live inside the soil are earthworm and snail. Okay. Earthworm and snail. Okay. Next question, see, next question is your value corner, means value based question, no need of doing this one. Here the question is what value is shown by Ajay, means see here Tarun and Ajay, they are two friends, okay. They are actually out in the field for playing, they see some burrows and tunnels in the soil. Then what they do, Tarun places the stones, he has blocked the places of the burrows and the tunnels with the stones for fun, means he don't want to let the animals out from their home, okay. And Ajay notices it and removes all the stones. So Ajay's behavior is very nice, means he has good behavior, means nice behavior, and also good manners he has. He don't want to disturb any animals, he is very kind to them. So this value is shown by Ajay, okay. No need of doing this one, we will have discussed only question number 3a, see, name any two animals live inside the soil. Now I will write down, please switch off the front camera, okay. Okay, now we will continue with question number 4, why is soil important? So I will rub the board now, okay. I think all of you have completed, I will rub it and write question number 4 now, okay. You can write the other options also, yes students, you can write also the other options, means you can write which animal live inside the, so you can write rat, you can write snail, you can write snake also, you can write rabbit, okay. So let us do now question number 4, why is soil important? Why is soil important? Why is soil important? See here, soil is very important. Please mute your microphone, students, please mute your microphone, okay. Soil is very important for all life forms. Soil is very important for all life forms living on the earth. Soil is very important for all life forms living on the earth. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth, layer of the earth. Plants grow in soil, okay, it will be separated. Plants grow in soil, question number, which one you are telling, Shaurish? Repeat question number 2, means which one you want to tell, Shaurish? Let me complete this one, then I will, okay. Soil is very important for all life forms living on the earth. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. Plants grow in soil. Roots of plants get water and minerals from the soil. Okay, I have excused. Roots of plants get water and minerals from the soil. Small animals like insects and earthworms small animals like insects and earthworms live in soil. Live in soil. So I will repeat this answer what I have written. Why is soil important? Soil is very important for all life forms living on the earth. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. Plants grow in soil. Roots of plants get water and minerals from the soil. Small animals like insects and earthworms live in soil. So this is the importance of soil. Okay. So I will repeat what we have done today. We will do also question number 5 today. Up to question number 5 we will complete today. Okay. So I will repeat what I have started from which question we have started from. I have done question number 3a. No need of doing 3b. I have told you this is a value corner, value based question. So question number 3a we have done. What is the question? Name any two animals that live inside the soil. Two animals that live inside the soil are earthworm and snail. You can write other options also. Those who have completed, please check your answer. Okay, you can check the answer. You can write other options. You can write rat, snake. You can write rabbit also. Okay, so two animals that live inside the soil are earthworm and snail. Number B is a value corner question. We have not done that one. No need of doing. What value is shown by Ajay? I have told you Ajay is very kind to the animals. Tarun has blocked their spaces with stones and Ajay has removed the stones. Means he just let them out and he just want to let them out from their home. So Ajay is very kind to the animal. He has a good behavior and good manners. This value. Then we have done question number 4. It is written on the board. Why is soil important? Soil is very important for all life forms living on the earth. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. Plants grow in soil. Roots of plants get water and minerals from the soil. Small animals like insects and earthworms live in soil. This is your answer. Okay, Shorish, any problem you are having? You have written in the chat. Repeat question number 2. Shorish, I am talking to you. If you want to tell anything, you can reply in the chat box. Shorish. Okay. Okay, very good. It is clear now? Shorish, it is clear to you? Okay. So I have to rub the board to write the next question. Those who have not done, please do quickly. Question number 4. All of you have completed question number 4? Yes or no? Please write quickly then. Those who have not completed, please write down quickly. Upayon, no. So write quickly. Why is soil important? We will solve now question number 5. Sankalon, yes, very good. Fatima. Okay, very good. Ayush, very good. Yes, you have written, and all of you must write down your answer correctly and properly. Okay, good handwriting should be there. So I will rub the board now. Okay. Okay, completed. Okay, now I will rub the board. Question number 5 now. First I am rubbing the question. I will rub. Okay, your question is question number 5. Why is sandy soil not good for, okay, I am rubbing this one, question number, answer number 4, I am rubbing. Okay, why is sandy soil not good for growing plants? Growing plants. Why is sandy soil not good for growing plants? So I have already explained to you when I am explaining the chapter. So I am writing the answer now. See here, sandy soil, as the name suggests, it consists of sand, mainly sand. So sandy soil mainly consists of sand. Consists of sand. Sandy soil mainly consists of sand. There is a lot of air. There is a lot of air in the spaces. There is a lot of air in the spaces between its large particles. There is a lot of air in the spaces between its large particles. Between its large particles, but it cannot hold much water, but it cannot hold much water because water can easily pass through these spaces, can easily pass through these spaces. Okay, please mute your microphone, not now. Okay, let me write it down, then I will repeat the answer once again. Okay, but it cannot hold much water because water can easily pass through these spaces. So sandy soil is not good for growing plants. So I have completed now. See here. So what we have done, let me repeat it, okay? Why is sandy soil not good for growing plants? Sandy soil mainly consists of sand. There is a lot of air in the spaces between its large particles, but it cannot hold much water because water can easily pass through these spaces. So sandy soil is not good for growing plants. You all of you got the answer? Okay, those who have done your answer before, you will check your answer, see that you have written it properly or not. Okay, you check your spellings, everything. So let us recap, then we will end our class today. See here, we have done today question number 3a. I will repeat it. We will revise it now. What we have done today: name any two animals that live inside the soil. Two animals that live inside the soil are earthworm and snail. Then we have done question number 4. Why is soil important? Soil is very important for all life forms living on the earth. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. Plants grow in the soil. Roots of plants get water and minerals from the soil. Small animals like insects and earthworms live in the soil. Then just now we have done question number 5. Why is sandy soil not good for growing plants? It is also written on the board. Sandy soil mainly consists of sand. There is a lot of air in the spaces between its large particles, but it cannot hold much water because water can easily pass through these spaces. So sandy soil is not good for growing plants. Okay, so that's all for today, students. In our next class, we will continue with the long answer question from the exercise of chapter number 4. So goodbye everyone.